Next tonight, the U.S. is 5 years into an opioid public health emergency. No community, of course, is immune to the damage done by these drugs, but some areas have lost significantly more people to overdose, including one close right here to home.
Yeah, Niagara County now hoping money from the federal government will help it get through this crisis and get it under control. The county has the second highest rate of overdose deaths in the state. Between 2010 and 2020, the rate more than tripled to 39 deaths per 100,000 people. That is double digits above the statewide average of 25 per 100,000. 7 News anchor reporter Taylor Epps taking an in-depth look at how this problem developed and the plans in place to reverse the trend.
You'll see it here on billboards all throughout Niagara County. Numbers to call and ways to ask for help. I'm told it's an all-hands-on-deck effort to reverse this deadly trend.
One person dying is really one too many.
The opioid epidemic has been going on for years, impacting millions nationwide. And one of the hardest hit communities is Niagara County.
We've seen a significant increase in the number of non-fatal and fatal overdoses.
That increase gives Niagara County the second highest overdose death rate in all of New York State.
How did we get there?
How did we get there? Well, we were it was looking hopeful in terms of a downward trend in 2019.
Then 2020 arrived, and the pandemic that isolated people, who then turned to drugs to try and cope. In addition,
our community suffers from fentanyl being in every substance that everybody will try, will buy.
The latest numbers from the state show this hasn't changed much since the pandemic started, with Niagara County's death rate still higher than the rest of Western New York and New York State as a whole. One local resource is North Point Council, where Catherine Kaiser tells me it's busy daily.
Professionals that need to get their medications at 6 a.m. We have moms that have to go home and take care of their kids all day.
So how do we reverse this trend?
I think more education, more outreach into the community, anything that we can do as far as, getting people stable.
Kaiser says prevention is a big focus for North Point. So each week they're in classrooms in all 10 districts in the county, talking about substance abuse, starting as early as kindergarten.
Sometimes people think, well, if we don't talk about it, it won't happen. And we know that that's not really true.
It's also about having the resources. That's where the federal government is stepping in with a $1.3 million grant to fight substance abuse.
One of the things that was really clear was that the community supports and services was an area of great need. Also, harm reduction services. We're doing our very best, and we're just committed to the mission.
And that includes funding places like North Point, where they're hoping it can help them with staffing levels.
It's at its all-time low, yes. So we're trying to do everything, and hopefully some of that money can help with that as well.
County officials tell me they're still working out who gets that money and exactly how much, but the plan is to have all those details worked out in the new year. Taylor Epps, 7 News, Niagara Falls.